Automating IT security policies can save you time, reduce human error, and ensure your system is constantly up to date with the latest protocols. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to automate IT security policies with Tenable, the software designed to help businesses monitor, manage, and improve their security posture. But before we dive into how Tenable works, I want to let you know that you can actually try the software completely free. Just click the first link in the description for an exclusive trial, along with some extra bonuses to get you started. Let's get right into it. First, Tenable helps you automate IT security policies by providing comprehensive vulnerability management. The software continuously scans your network and devices, ensuring that all your systems are secure and up to date. Instead of manually checking every system, Tenable does this for you, providing real-time visibility into any vulnerabilities that might put your business at risk. Next, Tenable allows you to define and enforce security policies across your organization. You can set specific parameters, and Tenable will automatically check your systems to ensure they comply with those policies. This means less work for your team and a lot more consistent security across your network. It's a game changer for businesses looking to reduce manual oversight. The third thing to note is Tenable's integration with other security tools you might already be using. Whether it's a CM system or a threat intelligence platform, Tenable connects with your existing tools to automate policy enforcement without disrupting your workflow. You can integrate it seamlessly into your security stack, making it even easier to keep your environment secure. Next, Tenable makes it simple to automate risk prioritization. Once it detects a vulnerability, it doesn't just flag it and leave it at that. Tenable helps you prioritize risks based on severity and impact, so you can address the most critical vulnerabilities first. This takes the guesswork out of your IT security management. The fifth thing to consider is Tenable's reporting and auditing features. Once you've automated your IT security policies, you'll have access to detailed reports that show you exactly where you stand in terms of compliance. These reports are crucial for audits and help demonstrate that your business is taking proactive steps to protect its data and systems. Lastly, Tenable helps you stay ahead by continuously updating its database of security threats. As new vulnerabilities emerge, Tenable ensures that your policies are adjusted automatically, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with the latest threats manually. With Tenable, your security posture is always evolving and adapting to new challenges. To wrap up, automating your IT security policies with Tenable not only saves time and reduces risks, but it also ensures that your systems are always up to date and compliant with the latest security standards. Don't forget, you can try Tenable for free by clicking the first link below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses to enhance your experience. So, if you want to simplify your IT security management and reduce the risk of human error, Tenable is the solution you need. Take advantage of the extended free trial now and let the software do the hard work for you.